start these up to 40%. Hit trigger. There you go, you're steering it. 70%. There she goes, we're away. Good. There's enough to get a charge on, doesn't it?
Yes.
V1 VR, up you come. The airplane, you feel the airplane pitching up, there we go. Whoa, gently, gently.
Yes.
Yeah, there you are. Just hold on, ease it forward, put it on 15 degrees. Yeah, forget the flight director will come back in there. Okay, just keep the square on the cross, positive brake, gear up. Get the speed up. Just ease the nose forward a bit. Next page. Over, up down, execute. Down valves engaged, follow the flight director. Ease the nose forward, there's flaps one. It's going to be jumping about a bit, man, because of it's severe thunderstorms. Right. So the airspeed's going to be all over the place initially. Flaps up. Looking for 220 knots initially. And then I can accelerate to 250. That's 220 till the turn. Okay. Fair comment. Charlie and Tell stick it on the rover, so I'm just going to modify the route. So there's the route being modified. So ease the nose forward, push the square under the cross, we're levelling at 6,000. Go on. Not too far. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's a road. Let's get something. Let's get it back up again. There she will give you the ultra. She goes, right, relax. Now once we start the turn, you can increase the speed to 250 knots. Okay, 250 knots in the window. Some horrible weather in there. Oh, thunder, lightning, God knows what. We have a lot of bit of sight of ground there. So basically this approach, as you can see, starts virtually where we start, right, Landhouse here. So we actually go, if I just get a little bit sensible skew. Landhouse virtually where we start the approach, pick up the IGS. So we've virtually done a big circuit and we're going to fly back over where we took off from, basically. When we fly down the IGS, you've got to fly dead accurate, so just hover relax. So when we get onto that, you fly down the IGS, and when we get visual, when we get good visual, we take the, we get rid of the flight director, because you have to fly around the checkerboard visually.
Right.
Now, the big difference with Kai Tak is, remember the poppies on most runways are on the left-hand side.
Yeah.
Kai Tak's got them either side.
Right.
Because when you come in, you can get them, they can be obscured by the buildings.
Oh, right.
So 1 minute you can see one minute you can see the other. When we get to the Charlie Hotel, we've just passed Charlie Hotel, we're heading for it. Right, so you put 4,500 feet in there, and then give me 1,000 feet down on vertical speed. So hit no vertical speed button, you've got it. Yeah, that's good. 1,000 feet a minute down. Now you'll see what's happening. There's the new motorway, right?
Yeah.
To get that goes to the airport. And you'll see there's a bloody bit big of high ground we've got to get round. So once we start the turn, you can actually start bringing the speed back down to 220 knots. Yeah. 220 knots. Now you see it's just changed from a flyover point to a fly-by way point. That's because it won't fly over it, because that's increasing. Now you see the problem with the turn, look at this.
Yes.
Got a big chunk of high ground here. Look at the airspeeds all over the place because of the high ground. So what I'll do is I'll just pop the brake a bit. Yeah, that's going to get us down a bit quicker. You see the problem there? Look at that mountain there. That's why we're just going around the side of it. Right, you can flaps one then, please. Right, heading select. Arm the forelock. Right, good. Right, that's good. Okay, you got me busy on this one. Right, flat, what have we got now? Flat 5 then, please. And then set speed. So we're waiting for the IGS. There's the forelock, turning us on the IGS. Good, right, gear down, flat 15. Don't get any rest on this one. Flat 15 speed. Okay, flat 40. And 1, 2, 3 in the window. Light slopes captured. Right, on the control column. I won't load this. Right, keep that square right under that cross. Get concentrated. Gently, gently, gently. Remember, it's going to be all over the place because we're in severe thunderstorms. There's turbulence. God knows what happened. Pretty wild out there, isn't it?
It is.
I just love doing this approach in this aeroplane. In this sim, it's great. Come on, keep working at it. Thing at the moment. Shoot. You stay on the gauges, I'll look out, yeah?
Okay.
All I can see is a bit of the Landau Bridge at the moment. Got 70 knot crosswind. So we're tracking 08, but we're actually heading 080, so it's 9 degrees to drift, 8 degrees to drift. Right, there's the container terminal coming up, Discovery Bay. Hopefully the turbulence will lay off a bit once we get around the shelter of the hills, because it's coming from the wind's coming from the left, so once we get a bit lower it should be better. Right, there's Kowloon, I've got Kowloon, and I can just see the lights of Kai Tak. 6.4 miles. you on the
I
gauges.
know, I was just taking a quick
I
peek.
had a quick peek. All right, yeah, get back in there again. There's the lead-ins coming up. I've got the puppies. As I suspected, it's eased off a bit. Okay, right, look at flight routes coming off. I'm on the controls here. There's the puppies. Have you got the puppies? High tack.
Yes.
So let's what have we got? That looks like 3 whites and a red, which is damn good. And look at this, we've got bloody 14 knot crosswind, so we're getting blown. So we need to be tracking. Right there. So there's 2 reds, 2 whites.
Yeah.
2 reds, 2 whites, good. Love it. 2 to 3 division jets in the morning.
Okay, fine.
We're alright, just easy to follow. That was just a bit of turbulence and it was on there. We've got a 13 knot crosswind and then it was same old. We're just easy to follow. Right, let's start the turn. There's 2 reds, 2 whites, just easy right into set. Bring the nose up, there you go. Don't go low, then we have to keep it coming round. Now we've got a crosswind, there you have 2 reds, 2 whites, easy forward. And now, there she goes. There we go. Nose up a wee bit to get down to the reds. Get on the center line, remember here, we've got a crosswind, so we've got 14 knots across. Keep it coming down.
Big lake.
Keep it coming down. Keep it coming down.
40, 30,
Keep it coming down.
90, 10.
There she goes there on the wind.